Hi, this is Bill for SparkyChannel.com, and it's house renovation time. Today I'd like to introduce you to the new DeWalt Atomic 20V Max drill and driver set. I've been using this set hard for the last 2 months doing a house renovation, doing a wide variety of tasks such as hanging a medicine cabinet, doing electrical projects, hanging new kitchen cabinets, and a wide variety of odd jobs. The set includes a small and lightweight brushless compact half-inch drill, a lightweight brushless impact driver, a charger, and a contractor bag. The compact drill is only 2.4 pounds as a bare tool and 6.3 inches long. The impact is 2.1 pounds as a bare tool and 5.1 inches long. The two 20V Max batteries that come with the set weigh 12.4 ounces each and have a capacity of 1.5 amp hours. Both the drill and the driver come with LED lights that stay on for 20 seconds after pulling the trigger, and they both come with belt hooks. The half-inch ratcheting chuck on the drill provides excellent gripping strength. The 2-speed transmission can provide up to 340 UWO of power, and the 15 clutch settings give you the ability to sink screws to just the right depth. One of the most amazing things about this set is the price. On the day I'm making this video, the set with the 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag is $211. Let's see how this set's impact driver, which is called the DCF809, compares with the DeWalt DCF887 impact driver. Here you see they're both 20V Max tools. The max torque for the 809 is 1,700 inch-pounds, while the max torque for the 887 is 1,825 inch-pounds. The impacts per minute for the 809 is 0 to 2,800 impacts per minute, while it's 0 to 3,800 impacts per minute for the 887. So you can see that the DCF887 is considerably more powerful. They both have variable speed triggers, and the max speed for the 809 is 2,800 RPMs, while the max speed for the 887 is 3,250 RPMs. The 809 weighs 2.1 pounds as a bare tool, while the 887 weighs 2.0 pounds as a bare tool. The 809 is a 1-speed impact driver, while the 887 is a 3-speed. Here's a typical example of how I use this Atomic set. First I'll use the drill to drill a couple holes in the plaster down to the studs, and now I'm using the impact driver to put a couple screws in the holes, and I'm going to be putting up a garden hose hanger. So here it is, it goes right on there like that. Then I grab the impact driver again and tighten down the screws. There you go, and there it is. The job's done. Here's an electrical project that I did with the set. I've got a 9/64 drill bit. I'm going to bore out this hole in. It's already in here. Okay, I'm going to put my tap in here. This is a 1032 tap. Okay, this is a 1032 tap. And keep it nice and straight. So now we have a bonding wire that will bond the metal box to the grounding system of the house. I found that the impact driver of the set has a really nice variable speed trigger that really works well for electrical applications. Here's a project that the Atomic set was just perfect for. This is an old medicine cabinet that I was replacing, and the screw heads were very small and very stripped, and I just couldn't get them out. So I drilled a hole in the head of the screw with the drill, and then I put in an easy out into the drill and backed the screw out with the easy out. Also, I used the Atomic impact driver to remove all the existing window treatments, and I replaced them throughout the house with brand new level or blinds. In conclusion, I think this is a really nice and very useful set at an excellent price point. I used it for project after project after project, way more than I could show you in this video. And other workers were grabbing these tools as well and using them, although I made them wash their hands sometimes before grabbing them. I'll put a link in my video description for the new DeWalt Atomic drill and driver set. Also, I'll put a link for the DeWalt DCF887 impact driver in case you need a more powerful impact driver. And I'll put a link for the new DeWalt jigsaw, which is just a fabulous tool, especially for us electricians, because a lot of times we're working with the electricity off and you need a jigsaw. And I'll put a link for the new DeWalt mixer drill. That's a tool that we used on the renovation to mix asphalt sealant, drywall mud, mortar mix, concrete mix, you name it. That tool really got a workout. And so I'll put a link for that one as well. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful. Sure, the kitchen needs a little work. Sure, there's a bunch of junk all over the place. Sure, the window treatments are shot. You can do it! Thanks for watching.